so I'm gonna start with like, Alex, stop.
I was just looking.
You can't look. Okay, so we're going to do, hey, you can't talk either.
Man, I be sipping when they wake up, and I be like, shit, good morning. Fresh oatmeal, maybe little protein. Share a conversation with some people who don't know me. Maybe get some inspiration out to the whole team. Had to grow garden cause your boy got the most seeds. Had to snap back.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with bleaching these jeans, and I want them to turn out something like this. Might be a little daunting because it's pretty complicated, but I'm going to try. I have these jeans that I got, I think from the Urban Surplus store, so they were super on sale, but I really like the fit, but I just don't grab them a lot compared to my other jeans, so I wanted to make them a little bit different. So for this, I'm going to be using bleach, of course, and this old toothbrush that I'm going to use to like make the specific lines and detailing and have a little bit more control of it. And I've never done this before. I've never even like bleached jeans before, so this is totally an experiment for me, and fingers crossed that it turns out well. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. So I'm just gonna brush it on, I guess. I'm always super suspicious, Susie, of bleach, and sometimes they're like, it'll burn through your clothes if you don't dilute it, and then it doesn't. Yeah.
Yeah. What up, man? I get too high, I don't wanna feel.
Okay, so I let this sit for like 30 minutes, 20 minutes maybe, just to see if the bleach would actually work, and it's kind of working. I don't think it looks terrible. I think because these are like a light wash jean, that it doesn't like give the same contrast as like my inspo picture, but that's okay. I'm going to keep going, and we're just gonna hope for the best. I continued using the toothbrush to brush on the design, and honestly I was trying so hard to recreate the pants exactly, but as I did it more I realized that it's not so serious and I could just have fun with it and it would still look good. So here you go, enjoy like 5 minutes of a time lapse of me bleaching these pants.
Yeah. What up, man? I get too high, I don't wanna feel alone. Fly like planes now, I don't need that airport. Skip the conversation, I don't care for it. Don't like my music, then what you here for? Stay up in the sky like I'm in the Air Force. She don't like the height, so she stay on all four. You can call her back, she don't.
This is what the front of the pants looked like when I was completely done bleaching them. I let them sit and dry for about 20 to 30 minutes before I did the backside because I didn't want it to stain the floors in my sister's apartment. After it was done drying a little bit, I put cardboards in between the pants because I noticed that some of the bleach bled through to the other side. So I cut up an old Amazon box laying around and slid that through the pants, and then repeated bleaching the back side of the jeans as well.
I do what I do, so you do your own. Only stay up if I know. I get too high, I don't wanna feel low. I do what I do, so you do your own. Only stay up if I know, yeah. Step on their raps if they act slow. Watch them hit the dome with a mad flow. Too tough, a little too much. It's $2 if they shoot stuff. So what you do, bruh? Probably try to count some. You can't.
Okay, I'm like 3/4 of the way done with these jeans right now. I did the front, and you guys saw that, and I let it dry, and then I put cardboard through the legs, and I just have one more backside of a leg left to do, but they're turning out pretty good. It does take a while, I think, for the bleach to like set in, and you can see that it turns white. It takes a little bit, and once I'm done with it and the color is exactly what I like, I'm going to wash them so it'll stop the process, and then we'll see how they turn out. I'm super excited.
Getting at the lab, running to the roundup. You can keep doubting, but you never gonna see it for real. Gotta really feel now. I wouldn't even need a second meal up. Do what you do until the day did it kill you. You don't need to feel it.
After I was done bleaching them, I threw them in the wash and dryer by themselves, and that just stops the bleaching process. It did get a little bit lighter in the washing machine, but not too noticeable. And are you guys ready for this? This is how they turned out. Next, I'll be doing some DIY photo pants to these pants. I got these at Salvation Army near my home, probably for like $4 or $5, and they fit me pretty well, so I didn't have to alter them or anything, and I thought they'd be perfect for this DIY. I also printed out about, I think, 10 or 11 photos, and I'm going to be putting these on the pants, kind of like the Paloma wool friendship pants. That's like my inspiration. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut these out and then try to like lay them onto here and see where I want to put them.
Man, I'll be sipping when they wake up, and I'll be like, shit, good morning. Fresh oatmeal, maybe little protein, share a conversation with some people who don't.
So I think I'm gonna go for something like this on the front. Kind of uneven, but I kind of like it. And then after I do the front, I'll add the rest of the photos onto the back side of the jean. So I just have this like black and white pattern at the top, and then a couple pictures of me and my friends, and then just these palm trees, another one of me and my friends, and then like the hands of God photo, and then another one of me and my friends. So I try to mix like colors and black and white photos onto here, and I think it looks cute. Okay, so for these jeans you are going to need Mod Podge. I ordered some off of Amazon, and I think that they're at like every craft store, like Michael's, Joann's Fabrics, all that classic crafting material. So I'm just trying to open the box now. I haven't opened it yet. Okay. So this is what I got. I just got 1 8-ounce container of it. So you're going to take your photos, and what you want to do is Mod Podge the side that has the like what is this called, like the picture on it, the dye on it, and you're gonna do like the front side of it, and that's what you like place down onto the pants, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and do my first photo and then go put them on the pants, and then just repeat that until I used up all these photos.
Maybe get some inspiration out to the whole team. Had a girl garden cause your boy got the most seeds. Had a snap back to the days we rock snapbacks. That was 2012, we was trying to get a cash fast, trying to make gas money. We inside my backpack. Now when I'm looking back, I'm glad I made it past that. 2016 had to be my favorite summer. Used to smoke.
Once the photo is covered in Mod Podge, you can place it face down onto the pants, and make sure you press down really hard and the edges are laying down flat as well.
Like me, new gold chain and a fresh white tee. Ask how I do it, I just tell them to believe. And never give up, stay chasing your dreams. I'ma go to bed when they saying good morning. Yeah. I'll be still up when they saying good morning. Yeah. Hold on. I'll be wide awake when they saying good morning, yeah. Chasing my dreams cause there's nothing more important, hey. Everybody show support, say you the one. Take a day to motivate you.
Okay, it's been about 30 minutes probably since I did the front side of the picture jeans, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the same steps on the back. And then you have to leave them for 24 hours, and then you kind of peel the paper off. But I'll show you when we get to that part. Right now, I'm just going to be using the Mod Podge over again and attach the photos on the back side of the pants. This is what they look like after 30 minutes, the front side. You can't really see the back of the photos because they're facing down, and they attached pretty well. So hopefully I added enough Mod Podge and everything, and it should turn out okay.
Cause this shit's what I want. Got me saying fuck the money, let me rock a stadium. I'll be patient cause I know that they will come when I need it. Winter was the coldest, had me caught in my feelings, but I'll be feeling good, that's the only way to keep it. Still spread love cause I don't know when I'll need it. Yeah, but I stay laughing, always cracking jokes to my.
Okay, it is the next day, and it's been more than 24 hours since I did the picture jeans, so it is time to like peel away the paper and expose the photo. I don't know, we'll see if it works, so fingers crossed. Okay, so the tutorial I watched on Laini Ozark's channel, I think, she did this as well, and she recommended only dampening the photos a little bit. So I have a paper towel and this bowl of water here, and I'm going to just dampen it a little bit. She said just the top, because she experienced that she put on too much paper and it took too much of it away. So I'm just going to dampen it a little bit. And then she said that you can just use your finger and peel away the top layer of the paper, and it should expose the photo. So you want to gently rub on the wet piece of paper, and you'll slowly see little bits of paper coming off. I found that I needed to rub a little hard in the beginning to get it started, but after that, make sure you go pretty gently, as you don't want to peel away the entire thing. You want to keep rubbing until you get the very top layer of paper off, and you will see that it's still a little fuzzy and not super clear, but I decided to leave it that way as I didn't want to continue and ruin the photo. But that's totally up to you. You can go a little bit harder if you want to attempt to get a super clear and crisp photo, but I didn't mind that mine looked a little bit hazy. I still think it turned out really cute. So I kept rubbing on all the photos. It did take quite a while. I took a break in the middle for a little snack and then continued doing it. But the main thing just to keep in mind is to go gentle. Put on your favorite show on Netflix or something and just peel away.
Hours later.
Cause I did too. We're seeing other people, I can still miss you. Whenever I run into you, I plan what to say. Still text you on inside jokes, hoping you come my way.
And that's everything. For the second pair of pants that I DIY'd, the picture pants, it says online in other tutorials that you should let it cure for 3 days before you wash them. I haven't washed mine yet, it's only been about 2 days, but I'll update y'all in the comments down below once I do. But theoretically, after you let them sit for 3 days, you can wash them normally and they will stay intact and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below if you want to, and I'll see you next video. Bye.
You always leave at the peak and it drives me insane. Yeah, no room for decline, it's just perfect.